Panama City Beach. You got the vision? All right, now you and your three best friends in the whole wide world, right? You just went to the rental car agency. You picked up the sweetest convertible that you got, right? So now you're laying back like this. Let's see what you look like rolling down the beach. Put your hands up, don't be shy. You know, I look stupid. You look stupid. Therefore, it's cool. I mean, how else would you explain skinny jeans on dudes? I'm sorry, I shouldn't have said that. So you walk down the beach, you turn on your radio to Way FM. Over the airwaves comes some rock and roll music you're ready to sing to, and you know that you and your friends are about to sing at the top of your lungs. Am I right or am I right? Always control the car, hold on to it. You got 4 simple words you gotta know for this song. They are, listen to the sound, listen to the sound. Let's see what you made of. Hold on to the wheel all the time. Listen to the sound of hope to rising up over your own horizon. Listen to the sound, listen to the sound. Listen to the sound of a new beginning. There's a radio is in there. Listen to the sound. We're getting close, I like it. Getting close, need a metronome, hands up. Listen to the sound of hope is rising up over your old horizon. You said. Listen to the sound of a new beginning. There's a radio is in there. Now, George, we got a crowd right here in Decatur tonight. Big smiles and hands wave like this. That's right. Like this we go. Are you over your head? Are you water so deep you're drowning? Or do you think it then lands? And there's no one to feel your hurting. But everybody's been there, right? And everybody's been lost, especially me. But if you're in over your head, just lift it up, yeah, lift it up. To find it skate high. Come on.